Hi Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is an absolute must. Yeah, to the new week, it's so awesome to be alive and well. On today's menu, we have brown stew salmon, rice and peas, and vegetables. Let's start with my salmon. I'm going to slice it up. As usual, I'm measuring out how many slices I can get and the size. And then I start cut away. I like when they are a nice size, so I don't slice them thin at all. Just a nice little size. After this, I'm going to put some of my all-purpose seasoning on it, and I've added a little bit of salt to this. So now I'm going to rub it on the salmon, giving each slice a nice amount of seasoning all over it. Me say all over it. On the top side, bottom side, front side, and even on the sides. Yes, everywhere. Salmon is just so nice and easy to cook. So I absolutely love it. My husband actually never used to be a salmon fan at all. But when I cooked it for him, it was a wrap. And now he's a believer. Yes, a believer. Him dig salmon. So yeah, when you cook with love and you nice up your food and you season it good, you can change food lives. So yeah, so now that the salmon basically all nicely seasoned, make we season something else. We need to season something else, because me just love season. Yeah, me just walk and just dash out seasoning everywhere and everything. Cause your pot have to taste good, man. Sure. So rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Now let's season my rice pot with the usual salt, pimento powder, or pimento seed if that's what you have, your scallion, your thyme, your coconut milk. You know the runnings. I've done this quite a few times on here, so you know what to do. Or you can pay attention to the other videos, my previous videos, where me even show it more. So now we are going to fry our salmon. So I added some oil to my frying pan, and I'm just gonna move it around to evenly distribute it. But of course that's not gonna matter because Mr. Oil is gonna do whatever it wanna do and go about its business. So guys, I'm going to put the salmon in the pot skin side down. Remember that, skin side down. And it's not gonna fry for long. You're just trying to get the skin to be a little bit crispy. So now I'm gonna cut up my sweet peppers, but then me I go stop and go back, go turn the salmon, go flip them. Now back to cutting I go. So yeah, I'm going to cut up some sweet peppers and onion to cook with the salmon. These are always a must-have in my house because I love to use them to add extra flavors to my meals. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna stop again to remove the salmon from the pot and add the 2 remaining slices. So yeah, so now I'm basically almost finished with the veggies. This is the last, piece of sweet pepper I'm gonna cut up. this. And yeah, now I'm going to add my washed rice to my peas and stir it and cover it down to cook. Guys, be sure to taste. Make sure you taste the pot. Now let's remove the rest of the salmon. And I'm going to give you guys a look at it. Here they are, all nicely fried. Check them out. So yeah, don't burn them, don't make them fry too long at all. Salmon very easy for cook. So now to the same pot and oil that I fried the salmon in, I'm going to add sweet peppers, onions, some scotch bonnet pepper, and then stir up everything. If you have too much oil in the pot, throw off some of it, please. Then I'm going to add some dried thyme, or you use the other one if you have it, and stir it and cover it for about 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. And boom, 2 minutes up. So now I'm going to add some hot water. Remember, me tell you, always have your kettle or just a pot of water on the stove. We're hot and ready for use, just in case. So add some hot water, add some ketchup, a little browning, some sugar to cut the tanginess of the ketchup, and mix it all up. Mix it up. Then I'm going to add some pimento powder. And guys, please make sure you taste and see what you need. I did, and because I tasted it and me see what I lack, I'm going to add some salt. And here it is bubbling. Just leave it for go and simmer for about 2 minutes. While that's going on, I'm going to check on my rice, give it a little mix. Wanna peep the pot in at the back. Watch it up, bubble. Bubble gravy sauce, bubble me say, yes. Okay, anyway, stir the rice and then leave it for finish cook. So now to my little niceness Ghana lead sauce, I'm going to add my salmon. This time it is skin up, so the skin side up, just as I'm doing here. Right, and I'm going to scoop up some of that nice sauce and pour it on each piece of salmon. Get all that good all over it, everywhere. So yeah, I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to break my salmon. So yeah, I'm gonna try push it to the side, twist it a little bit. So yeah, push him up there so. And now I have easier access to the others. Lord, can't even tell you no. I really love salmon. Like, man. Now take this in. Wanna take it in. Yes, Lord, yes. And I'm adding some black pepper. Guys, wanna look at that deliciousness. No, man, no. Love. If you guys could smell this, if you could have just smell this. So we are going to cover it down for about 2 minutes on low flames. Remember, the salmon already cooked, So you just try, let the niceness get all up into it. Look at that. So good. So now I'm going to work on my little vegetable. Now this is something that I haven't done in years. When we say years, I mean donkey years, whole heap of years. But I was like, okay girl, switch it up a little bit and make we get a little raw veg in our belly. So I'm going to be using my grater dough for shred the cabbage. Normally, back then, I would be doing this freehand. Yeah, but let's do this. And you have to watch out for your fingers because grater show no mercy where finger concern. Now let's check on the salmon as it's all done. Guys! Yes! Guys, this is the salmon all done. Turn off the fire, turn it off, it done, it ready. We can just dash it out. Yes, eat. So good. So now let's continue with our vegetables. So now I'm grating the carrot. By the way, comment down below and tell me if this type of vegetable is something that you still make quite often. Still do this often? Because most of the time me I eat like broccoli, the steamed vegetable broccoli and stuff like that. So yeah, haven't done this in quite a while. And once we are done gratering the carrot, we need to ensure, we get all our carrot off of the grater and in our bowl. So of course you have to scrape out for the pan the grater and get inside, get all up in there. And this is why you need to make sure your work surface clean. And here are my little tomatoes. So I'll be adding them to the cabbage and the carrot. So yeah, I'll be slicing each of them into 4 little pieces, 4 itty bitty pieces. So yeah, you guys know I'm not a tomato lover. I'm not at all. I'm not a fan. But if it's there, I'll eat it. Like now, may I put it in this? May I go eat it for sure. But otherwise, it's not something that I love, But yeah. So then I'm going to add a little vinegar to this. Not a lot, or you will certainly be sorry. This might be about half teaspoon, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. But guys, make sure you taste this. Make sure you taste it. If it needs more vinegar or more sugar, then add it. And combine everything. Mix it well so the vinegar and the sugar can be evenly distributed. So mix. As well as you want to get the carrot and the cabbage blend it together. Have a bulk of carrot or a bulk of cabbage. So mix it up. And that's me. Vibes fam. Here we have the finished product. Scrumdiddlyumptious is her name. Check out this. Check it out. Check it out. What a meal. Oh my. Check out the salmon vibes fam. Check it out. And those veggies are looking so delicious. check out the salmon. When me say delicioso, me mean delicioso. Nah joke. It's so delicious. Down to the bone when I eat it. Yeah. And I love me some brown stew salmon. Yes, peer, and come through raw veg. You all are happening. You all look so good. Vibes fam, thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share with someone and ask them to subscribe. Please, okay, take care. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Look upon this deliciousness. Only tell me that salmon look good. You look so good. Oh yes, Lord. So guys, take care of your beautiful self and God bless you.